Energy brings you quality choices with Goil Super XP. Available in many Goil stations nationwide. It is fortified with special additives that help your engine perform better and use less fuel. Branch into a Goil station today and energize your ride with Goil Super XP, compatible with most vehicles. Goil Super XP, Ufilia, huh? Ubefil. Goil, good energy. Ja, ja, ja.
You know the now. You are living the now. You feel secure in the now. But what about tomorrow? What happens when you can no longer do the things you love? What happens to your loved ones when you are no longer here? Get Mikakrawa from Prudential Life now and protect your future and that of your loved ones. With as little as 3 Ghana cedis, Mikakrawa covers you in case of death, total and permanent disability, or critical illness.
Saga, Abraboy, Uncle Tabu, a dead and Danny, the plan of Dutch, 45 city, intimate Tordine. No sweet Miss Everborn Dutch. 5 this year, Nadal, star 778 ash. Oh, I'm telling you this year. Come with this year. Come with this year. Make up
At Academic City, we are not just students. We are problem solvers, innovators, and future-ready leaders. We power the future and create groundbreaking technologies ready to tackle real-world challenges head-on. In a world driven by technology, we shape the digital landscape, transforming challenges into opportunities. At the core of strategic thinking and decision-making, we thrive in the dynamic realm of commerce. We evolve into leaders who not only speak, but stand for what's right, forging narratives and stirring the conscience of the world. Embark on a journey with us, where innovation meets education. Academic City, educating future-ready leaders.
Ow.
Let me see. She's never had a toothache before.
There might be a cavity. Don't you use Pepsodent?
We used to, but I'll try the new one.
Ah, that's why.
But doesn't every toothpaste give cavity protection?
Not really. Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter repairs tiny invisible holes to give 10 times stronger teeth. Will you trust Pepsodent?
Definitely.
Pepsodent, 10 times stronger teeth.
Use Pepsodent's Cavity Fighter.
Accra College of Medicine is the leading private medical college in the country, seeking to train doctors who are committed to excellence and have the heart power. With the state-of-the-art facilities, small class size, and an amazing faculty, we help our students learn better.
My dream of becoming a medical doctor is now a reality because at ACM, I am offered the best learning experience.
We are accredited by the National Accreditation Board and the Medical and Dental Council. ACM is affiliated to the University of Ghana with mentorship from the University of Ghana Medical School.
For those who want to pursue medicine, our doors are wide open. Accra College of Medicine is the place to be.
Visit www.acm.edu.gh to apply now. Accra College of Medicine, producing the next generation of health professionals.
Inshira, Bejuwe.
Hey.
So many people with your name. What makes you stand out? When you are called, will you be ready? Get the X Factor advantage with an ALX course. Search ALX Ghana online to learn more about our programs.
How do I look?
You look so gorgeous, Auntie.
Thank you. I hope my date feels the same. Am I not forgetting something?
Yes, obviously. Laura Mimi.
Thank you. Can I use the washroom, please?
Sure. Flora disposable handkerchief.
You obviously aren't using Flora tissues, my dear, because the Flora tissues, they are soft and easy on the skin and they leave no particles.
I hope you had a good time.
I had fun, thank you for dinner. Are you okay? Do you want to use the washroom? Yeah. Okay,
Hey, broke uncle. I will tell Auntie.
Fachemi. I just love how it feels.
Hello, Alpha. Yeah, the landlady is here today too. She's harassing me this morning. Yes, come and see how I'm sweating.
Well, if I catch you,
Yes, the number I sent you the last time. Yes, use the JuPay app. It will come right now.
Hey, bra. Ah, so when you come mommy, give me my money. Me, Jim Sika.
We didn't know who. When you JuPay, is here. Yes, JuPay. JuPay is the best money transfer app that is used to send money directly from the US to Ghana free of charge. They have the best rates in the market and they are very competitive. And no thing is can abroad.
Jim Sika.
Increasing over its domain, or it is decreasing over its domain. Selling them.
True.
You're right. With the same preamble.
Hey! Charlie school is brilliant. My son will attend the school at all costs. Hey, let me call Adwa. What? I shock safe. Listen. Our son will attend the school at all costs.
Send money home.
Listen, I'm sending some more money for him, okay? Right. Oh, right now. Make sure you pieces here. Yeah, okay, right.
Tell me to pay.
Tell my boy.
Money Transfer. Send money home to family and loved ones from the US and Canada. Download the JuPay app, send money with your school code, and your school gets $20 on your first transaction for any school project of their choice. For your school code and for more information, visit www.jupay.co. Download the app to join the JuPay train. JuPay Money Transfer. Meet a need. Send via JuPay.
You're welcome to the preliminary stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Math Quiz. Competing in this contest are Kpeje Senior High School, Sogakope Senior High School, and Adidome Senior High School. Let's welcome them. Kpeje Senior High School won their regional qualifiers contest this year against Ola Senior High School, Ho, Mafi Kumasi Senior High Technical School, and Jolo Senior High School, and they have secured their place at the preliminary stage. Kpeje Senior High School is represented by
Amuzu Obed
and
Levi there.
Kindly tell us about your journey this year.
As we all know, competitions are not that easy. It's been by God's grace that we've been able to reach this height.
So it hasn't been easy. God has brought you through it. Thank God for that. Sogakope Senior High School is represented by
Prosper Amegleton
and
Lucky Fortune Senyigbe.
Sogakope Senior High School lost their contest to Aminiampon Senior High School at the preliminary stage last year at the National Championship. However, they won their regional qualifiers contest this year and have joined us at the preliminary stage, aiming to advance further. Lucky and Prosper, tell us about your journey.
All right, so our journey from the regionals has been very good by the grace of God.
We thank God for that. Adidome Senior High School ended their run at the 1/8 stage in last year's National Championship. They were eliminated by Bishop Herman College. They are back again this year with the hopes of progressing further. Adidome Senior High School is represented by
Prince Feda Selom
and
Godfred Mensah Gavo.
Prince and Godfred, how has the journey been for you this year?
We won our regional qualifiers. It was a close call, but then with God's grace, we sailed through. And we hope that the same grace comes here and then help us win this one too.
We pray for the grace of God. So you are all welcome. This is a voter debut, eh? The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, JuPay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Girl Mark Foundation. My name is Dr. Gladys Naude Schwinger, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. So contestants, we have 5 rounds of competition. Each round has its rules, but in all rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just 1 attempt at answering. Should you be asked to repeat your answer, don't change it. A change will nullify whatever you have said or are saying. In the first round, each school will get a question. You answer correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may ring the bell to answer correctly for a bonus point or lose a point when they are wrong. For this round, when a school gets a question, allow them to speak. Don't ring the bell as they speak. If they are not talking, just leave them. The time will go, the bell will go out on them, and you get the opportunity to ring the bell. If you ring the bell before any of these times, you'll not be given the opportunity to answer. I wish you all the best for this round. I'll be starting the round with Peje Senior High School. There's a preamble to all schools, and it reads, express y in terms of x assuming theta is acute, given. Express y in terms of x assuming theta is acute, given. Peje, x equals sine theta and y equals sine 2 theta.
Y is equal to 2s.
That is incorrect. Anyone for a bonus? Okay, so Gakope, x equals cos theta and y equals cos 2 theta.
Y is equal to 2x squared minus 1.
Correct. Adidome, x equals sine theta and y equals cos 2 theta.
You have y is equal to 1 minus 2x squared.
Correct. So, Peje, yours should have been y equals 2x root of the expression 1 minus x squared. Preamble to all schools. Provide the formula of the conjugate acid or base given. Provide the formula of the conjugate acid or base given. Peje, conjugate base of perchloric acid.
We have ClO, or C in capital, L in small letter, O capital, subscript 3 minus.
Incorrect. Sugar copper.
Capital C, small l, capital O, subscript 4 minus.
Correct. Sugar copper. Conjugate acid of phosphate iron. Yes, Prosper.
Capital H, capital P, capital O, subscript 4 2 minus.
Correct. Adidome. Conjugate base of hydrogen carbonate ion.
CO subscript 3 2 superscript 2 minus.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. In fact, it's a common one. When I get to you, you tell me yours. Mention one way the eyelashes in humans functions to protect the eye. Mention one way the eyelashes in humans function to protect the eye. Peje, give me yours.
The eyelashes contains hair which traps dust particles from entering into the eye.
I'll give to you. Sugar copper.
Okay, so one function of the eyelashes is that it helps to remove excessive fluid from the eye that may affect the eye during tears.
No. Adidome.
The eyelashes helps in cleansing the eye when an individual blinks.
No. So, the others I was expecting. The eyelashes trigger the blink reflex when a foreign body approaches the eye and touches the lashes. They also regulate or reduce evaporation of the film of tears on the cornea. Then the arrangement in multiple imperfect rows forms a filamentous curtain-like structure to keep excessive light and ultraviolet radiation from the conjunctiva. Preamble to all schools. Two inductors of inductances, L1 and L2, are connected in series. Find the reactance at frequency F of the inductor equivalent to the series inductors for the given values of F, L1, and L2. I take it again. Two inductors of inductances, L1 and L2, are connected in series. Find the reactance at frequency F of the inductor equivalent to the series inductors for the given values of F, L1, and L2. Peje, F equals 1.6 kilohertz, L equals 25 millihenry. And so L1 is 25 millihenry, and L2 is 125 millihenry.
So,
You've been bailed out. Anyone for a bonus? Sogakope, F is 2.0 kilohertz, L1 is 2.0 millihenry, and L2 is 3.0 millihenry.
$63 ohms.
Correct. Adidome, F is equal to 5.0 kilohertz, L1 is equal to 14 millihenry, and L2 is 16 millihenry. Go ahead, Prince.
We have 100 ohms.
Incorrect. Sogakope,
94 ohms.
no. Okay. We continue. Preamble to all schools. Find the equation of a curve with gradient dy dx and passing through the point A, 1, 5. Find the equation of a curve with gradient dy dx and passing through the point A, 1, 5. Peje, dy dx is equal to 6x squared plus 4x plus 5.
So the equation is y is y is equal to 2s to the power 3 plus 2s squared plus 1.
Incorrect. Adidome.
We have y to be equal to 2x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x minus 4.
Correct. Sogakope, dy dx is equal to 3x squared minus 4x minus 3. Go ahead, Lucky.
Y is equal to x cubed minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 9.
Correct. Adidome. dy dx equals 9x squared plus 6x minus 8. Yeah, Prince, go ahead.
Y is equal to 3x cubed plus 3x squared minus 8x plus 7.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Indicate whether the given pair of compounds are functional group isomers, geometric isomers, positional isomers, enantiomers, chain isomers, or no relationship. Indicate whether the given pair of compounds are functional group isomers, geometric isomers, positional isomers, enantiomers, chain isomers, or no relationship. Pege, 2-methyl-1-propanol and 2-methyl-2-propanol. Pege, answer.
They are positional isomers.
Correct. Sugar-Copper, 2-methyl-butane and pentane.
They are chain isomers.
Correct. Adidome, ethoxyethane and butanol.
Functional group isomers.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. No, that's not a preamble. Pege, that's for you. Mention the cells in C3 plants in which light reactions and dark reactions of photosynthesis occur.
So we have the
we have the meristematic cells.
Incorrect. Sugar-Copper, which biological process is referred to as the EMP pathway? Go ahead, Prosper.
Glycolysis.
Correct. Adidome, why is photorespiration also known as the C2 cycle?
So this is because C2 plants use light to synthesize organic food.
Incorrect. It's because it involves the addition of one carbon dioxide molecule to the molecule of ribulose 1,5-biphosphate, RUBP. That will result in the production of two-carbon compound called phosphoglycolate. Preamble to all schools. Calculate the magnitude of the given force. Calculate the magnitude of the given force. Pege. The expression in newtons, and there's the expression. 3I plus root 11J plus 4K.
So you have an expression in bracket 3i plus root 11j plus 4k all in Newton.
Incorrect. Sugar copper.
6 newtons.
Correct. Sugar copper. The expression in newtons. 2i minus 2j plus k.
Three newtons.
Correct. Adidome. The expression in newtons. Negative 5i plus root 13j plus root 11k. Speak, speak. Speak.
7 newtons.
Correct. That's the end of the first round. At the end of round one, Pedie Senior High School had 6 points. Adidome Senior High School had 16 points. And Sugakope Senior High School had 22 points. Round two. This is a round we call the Prudential Life Speed Race. And in this round, questions will be thrown to all 3 schools. And the first one answer correctly earns 3 points. When they are wrong, second school answers correctly for 2 points. When they're also wrong, third school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose a point. When you're ready with your answer, you ring the bell to alert me. And once I call you to give your answer, you have 3 seconds within which to start giving your answer. If you don't, a bell will go out on you and you lose a point because your answer will be considered wrongly given. You can ring the bell at any time you are ready with your answer. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. I wish you the best. Round 2. Find the number of all 3-digit palindromic numbers, the sum of whose digits is 8. Yes, Sugakope.
1,331.
Incorrect. It's 4. A sequence is defined by the recurrence relation u subscript n plus 1 equals 2u subscript n plus 5. u1, that's u subscript 1, equals -3. Find the next 3 terms. Yes, Adidome.
-1, 3, and 11.
No. Sugakope.
-1, 4, and 9.
No. You have given me numbers. You didn't tell me what they were. So you are to find the next 3 terms of the sequence. So the second is -1. The third is 3. The fourth is 11. Find the coordinates of the point of inflection of the curve. Y equals x cubed plus 3x squared minus 5x minus 6. Yes, Adidome.
-1, comma, -8.
Incorrect. Sugakope.
-1, comma, 0.
Incorrect. It is -1,1. What is the concentration of hydroxide ions in a solution formed by mixing 200.0 cubic centimeters of 0.45 mole per decimeter cubed KOH and 300.0 cubic centimeters of 0.40 mole per cubic decimeter NaOH? It is 0.42 mole per cubic decimeter. What is the mass of 0.25 moles of 1-heptanol? Sugakope.
27 grams.
Incorrect. Adidome.
28.5 grams.
Incorrect. It is 29 grams. How many unpaired electrons are there in a vanadium atom? Adidome.
2.
Incorrect. It is 3. Who proposed the lock and key theory of enzyme action? Sogakope.
Emil Fischer.
Emil Fischer. That's correct. Name the product of cyclic electron transport. ATP. What term describes an early embryonic cell that has the potential to differentiate into, yes, Sogakope?
Totipotency.
No, please. Potential to differentiate into any cell in the developing embryo. It is pluripotent. This is the last set for this round. An 8-Newton object is released from rest. Find its kinetic energy 5 meters below its initial position. Sogakope.
40 joules.
Correct. Find the refractive index of a medium for 520 nanometer light if light speed in the medium for that wavelength is 2.04 times 10 to the power 8 millimeters per second, sorry. Sogakope.
1.4.
Incorrect. Pedye.
1.45.
Incorrect. It's 1.47. Express 15.62 degrees Fahrenheit in kelvins. Is 264.05 Kelvin. And that's the end of the second round. Contestants, each table is going to get a sheet of paper. You are not to touch that sheet of paper till I ask you to. If you do, you'll be disqualified from the third round. Thank you. Thank you. At the end of the Prudential Life Speed Race, Pedia Senior High School had 5 points. Adidome Senior High School had 12 points. And Sogakopere Senior High School had 22 points. Contestants, this is the third round. In this round, you all are going to solve a common problem. That is what we call the problem of the day. It's a complex question that will require you leaning on all your family and expertise in whatever you have learned to solve the problem. You have 4 minutes to solve the problem of the day on the screens that you have been provided with. We'll read the problem of the day together. You put up your solution, then I'll assess them. After which I would read out the expected solution from our consultant, and then your points will be announced. Well, it will be on the board for everybody to see before then. So let's turn over our sheets and read the problem of the day together. Problem of the day. Functions f and g are defined by f of x equals 9 over the expression x minus 3. X is not equal to 3, and g of x is equal to x plus 3, and x is a member of the set of all real numbers. A. Find an expression for the composite functions g of f of x and f of g of x. B. Find an expression for the inverse of g of f of x. C. Solve the equation g of f of x equals x. You have 4 minutes starting now. stop work. Our contestants have put their solutions on the board, and let's see what our consultant had expected. So this was a problem of the day from maths, or from mathematics. Functions f and g are defined, and they were to find the expression for the composite functions g of f of x and f of g of x. Find an expression for the inverse of g of f of x, and C, solve the equation g of f of x equals x. Now, for the A part, g of f of x equals g of f of x, which is equal to f of x plus 3, which will be equal to 9 over the expression x minus 3 plus 3. If you're able to give this, you get 1 mark. And that will be equal to 9 plus 3 multiplying the expression x minus 3 all over x minus 3, giving you 3x over x minus 3, with a condition that x is not equal to 3. 2 points for that. Then f of g of x equals 9 over g of x minus 3. So 9 over the expression g of x minus 3, which will be equal to 9 over x plus 3 minus 3, which will be equal to 9 over x, on condition that x is not equal to 0. You get 2 points for that. That gives you 5 points for A. Peje was not able to do anything. Adidome was able to give an expression for g of f of x. They didn't give the condition, but I gave them 2 points. Sogakope they got f of g of x, and they got g of f of x. They got the values, but they never brought any of the conditions. So they got 4 points for the A. Then for the B part, inverse of g of f of x, let y be equals to 3x over x minus 3, for x not equal to 3. So x is equal to xy over y, the expression y minus 3, then x multiplying y minus 3 equals 3y. So y by the expression x minus 3 will be equal to 3x. Y will then be equal to 3x over the expression x minus 3 for x not equal to 3. So g of f of x inverse is equal to 3x over x minus 3 for x not equal to 3. Adidome didn't get that, neither did Peje, but Sogakope got that without the condition there. They got the 3 points. Then, for the C part, g of f of x inverse is equal to 3x over x minus 3, which is equal to x. So 3x is equal to x multiplying x minus 3. So you get x squared minus 6x equals 0. X is equal to 0 or 6. Sogakope got that one, so they got their 2 points. So Sogakope in the end, okay, so Adidome, Peje got nothing, Adidome got 2 points, and Sogakope got 9 points. Round 4. I'm going to give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, you earn 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. Please change to your school logos or emblems. I'll be giving each school a statement to tell me whether it's true or false. When you're right, you earn 2 points. When you're wrong, you lose a point. You may not answer. Then another school may ring to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. This is the round for the DuPay true or false. And at stake in this round is the DuPay money transfer $20 promo. So during NSMQ season, whenever alumni abroad send money to Ghana using their school's exclusive promo code, DuPay rewards the school with $20 for developmental projects in the school. For this particular contest, Sogakope Senior High School, your promo code is SOGASCO, all in capital letters, SOGASCO, SOGASCO. Adidome, yours is Adidome, all in capital letters, ADIDOME. And Peje, yours is PESCO, all in capital letters, KPESCO. These are the promo codes for the schools competing in this contest. So, alumni out in the diaspora, this is the opportunity for you to earn money for your school without you paying anything. All you need to do is to send money to Ghana on DuPay money transfer. For every transaction, you get $20 donated to your school for developmental projects. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by DuPay money transfer. Meet a need, send via DuPay. We'll start the 4th round with Beje. All the best to you all. N is a natural number. If n squared is divisible by 12, then n is a natural number. If n squared is divisible by 12, then Beje, n squared is divisible by 4.
False.
Incorrect. Sogakope, n squared is divisible by 9.
False.
Incorrect. Adidome, n squared is divisible by 36.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. According to Rutherford's model of the atom, Beje, electrons orbit the nucleus in fixed paths called orbitals.
False.
Come again.
False.
Correct. Sogakope, the atom is largely empty and has virtually no mass.
False.
Correct. Adidome, the atom has a dense positively charged portion located at the center.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. When biochemical pathways remain unregulated, Peje, the rate of breakdown of metabolites gets disturbed.
True.
Incorrect. Sogakope, homeostasis cannot be maintained.
True.
Correct. Adidome. A steady state or dynamic equilibrium is attained.
False.
Correct. The SI unit for tensile stress is the Newton. Peje.
False.
Correct. Sugakope. An SI unit for tensile strain is the micrometer.
False.
Correct. Adidome. The SI unit for compressive stress is the Pascal.
True.
Correct. Peje. If the sum of the angles of a triangle is 300 degrees, then it is a pentagon.
False.
Incorrect. Sugakope. If the diagonals of a kite bisect the vertex angles, then it is a rectangle.
False.
Incorrect. Adidome. If the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 400 degrees, then it is a circle.
True.
Correct. Peje. Cyclopropane is less stable than cyclobutane.
False.
Incorrect. Sugakope. The bond angles in cyclopropane and cyclobutane are approximately 109.5 degrees as both are alkanes.
True.
Incorrect. Adidome. Cyclopropane is more reactive than cyclobutane.
True.
Correct. Peje. A mature red blood cell has no DNA.
True.
Correct. Sugakope. Integral proteins distinguish individuals in the form of A, B, O, and AB blood types.
True.
Correct. Adidome. Peripheral membrane proteins are found on the inner side of the membrane and help to make the red blood cell extremely elastic.
True.
Correct. Last set for this round. Peje. Linear momentum is a vector quantity, whereas impulse is a scalar quantity.
False.
Correct. Sugakope. Linear momentum and impulse have the same dimensions.
True.
Correct. Adidome. The direction of impulse is the same as the direction of the change in linear momentum it produces.
True.
Correct. That's the end of the Jupe true or false round. Senior High School had 9 points. Adidome Senior High School had 30 points. And Sogakope Senior High School had 38 points. This is our fifth and final round. For this round, we are going to solve 4 riddles. I'll be giving you clues to help you solve the riddles. Each riddle comes to all schools at the same time. If you're able to solve the riddle on the first clue, you earn 5 points. Second clue, 4 points. Third, to the very last, 3 points. When you're ready with your solution, you ring the bell to alert me. This round, we have at stake the Goal Riddle Bonanza. This will reward the school that solves 3 or 4 riddles correctly. At this stage, if you solve 3 riddles correctly, you earn 800 Ghana cedis, and that's for the team. If you are able to solve all 4 riddles correctly, 1,200 Ghana cedis goes to the team. The Goal Riddle Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goil, Good Energy. So, we start with our 5th round. All the best to you. I'm a solid geometric figure. I'm not a prism. My cross-section is a circular face. Yes, Adidome.
Cone.
Correct. 3 points. I'm a simple hydrocarbon. I'm a colorless gas at room temperature and atmospheric pressure. I'm a straight chain alkane. I'm commonly used as fuel in lighters. Peje.
Butane.
Come again.
Butane.
Butane, that's correct. I'm a device which is popular in the plant world. My name comes from 2 Greek words that literally mean drunken measure. I come in a variety of designs, but all follow the same basic principle. Some of my types are the farmer's type, the Garros, the Ganong type, and the Darwin type. I'm used for measuring the rate of water uptake. Yes, Agakope.
Potometer.
Correct. Last riddle. I'm a physical quantity encountered in the study of mechanics. I describe the motion of an object. I'm a vector which is obtained. Yes, Peggy.
Velocity.
Incorrect. I'm a vector which is obtained from 2 vectors. I'm the quantity obtained when one subtracts the velocity of one object from, yes, Sogakope.
Acceleration.
Incorrect. When one subtracts the velocity of one object from that of another, I am relative. Who am I? Adidome.
Relative velocity.
Correct. That's the end of the contest. Of the Goal Riddle Bonanza, no one wins the Riddle Bonanza, the Goal Riddle Bonanza. Too bad. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for the next contest that is featuring Kumasi Academy, Xavier Senior High School, and Bator Senior High School. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, DuPay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Bettermalt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Girlmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from November 7 to 23, 2024. Join us to delve into the theme, Exploring Agri-Tech Solutions to Boost Ghana's Economy. And so, at the end of this contest, Peje Senior High School had 12 points. Adidoma Senior High School had 36 points. And Sogakope Senior High School had 41 points. Peje Senior High School and Adidoma Senior High School, I wish you the best in all you do from here. Congratulations to you, Sogakope Senior High School, for winning this contest and qualifying for the 1/8 stage. If your score happens to be the highest for the day, you win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at the stage is worth 1,000 Ghana cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters. My name is Dr. Gladys Na Odeshwinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Bye for now.